We're so excited to be celebrating our 20th year anniversary, celebrating you and celebrating all the support that you've shown us over the last 20 years.
Welcome to the corporate office.
To be invited to this gala, I just feel super welcome. I feel super inspired, and I love everyone here that I've met.
Being able to take the knowledge that they've acquired here, take the information that's been presented, and how they can incorporate it back into their business. How can they not only say, hey, I have more confidence in the products that I'm using, but also how can I take this information into the treatment room, into my retail space, and start producing revenue. I just want to say thank you so much, and it just warms my heart to be here. Thank you. I'm going to start